Now, pay attention, please. Windscreen bulletproof, as are the side and the rear windows. Revolving number plates, naturally. Valid all countries. Reception on the dashboard here. Audio visual, range 150 miles.
Ingenious and useful too. Allow a man to stop off for a quick one en route.
It has not been perfected out of years of patient research entirely for that purpose, 007. And incidentally, we'd appreciate its return, along with all your other equipment. Intact for once when you return from the field.
Oh, you'd be surprised the amount of wear and tear that goes on out there in the field. Anything else?
Well, I won't keep you for more than an hour or so if you give me your undivided attention. We've installed some rather interesting modifications. You see this arm here? Now open the top and inside are your defense mechanism controls. Smoke screen, oil slick, rear bulletproof screen, and left and right front wing machine guns. Now this one I'm particularly keen about. You see the gear lever here? Now if you take the top off, you'll find a little red button. Whatever you do, don't touch it.
No, why not?
Because you'll release this section of the roof and engage and fire the passenger ejector seat. Whoosh.
Ejector seat? You're joking.
I never joke about my work, 007.
And the man from Uncle. This is Robert Vaughn. Don't miss the test tube killer affair on this week's Man from Uncle.
Where am I? In the village. What do you want? Information. Whose side are you on? That would be telling. We want information. 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 You won't get it. By hook or by crook, we will. Who are you? The new number 2. Who is number 1?
Said it was a matter of life and death.
It could be a trap.
You could be right. Just up there.
0.5 of a mile.
Attack, I fight. Back and forth.
Forth and back.
Electric.
A prodigious throw. Fell in with a single blow.
I burst in shooting.
The secret of the double-barreled atomic sock knitter is safe.
The nation is secure.
Why are we parking behind the hotel, Max?
Because if we park out front, there's always a chance of being blocked by other cars, and we may have to leave in a hurry.
Good thinking, Max. What do we do now, Max?
Yes, well, I'll just back the car up a little and let you out, and then I'll pull it in again.
But that's not going to work, Max. You'll still be stuck.
Good thinking.
It's more important for you to get into that hotel room than it is for me. Come on, let's climb out over the top.
No, Mr. Bond, I expect you to die.
Sounds like a French nail varnish.
Choose your next witticism carefully, Mr. Bond. It may be your last. This meeting is not a coincidence, eh?
Who are you?
My name is Pussy Galore.
I must be dreaming.